Steppers Insoles Review 2025 Legit Foot Support or Overhyped? Honest test. Most people get this wrong by thinking all insoles are the same. The surprising truth is that Steppers insoles offer noticeable support and comfort, especially for long hours of walking or standing. The insoles feature arch support, cushioned heel pads and breathable materials. You won't believe how much difference they make in reducing foot fatigue. Users report improved posture and decreased discomfort in the heels and balls of the feet after just a few days of consistent use. Installation is simple, just trim to fit and place inside your shoes. Some users mention that they take a short break-in period to mold perfectly to your feet. The surprising truth is that proper support can significantly reduce foot pain over time and prevent long-term strain. In conclusion, Steppers insoles are a legit product for foot support. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the impact of good insoles on overall comfort. If you spend long hours on your feet, these insoles are a worthwhile addition to your shoes.